Hello fellow traders. In the coming days, I will be releasing one of my top MT5 robots this year, suitable for trading on both derived assets and forex markets. So get ready and register for an all-round MetaTrader 5 platform on Deriv Broker.
Welcome to Deriv MT5, your gateway to multi-asset trading with advanced tools and an intuitive interface. Deriv MT5 empowers traders with diverse markets, including forex, commodities, and synthetic indices. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, Deriv MT5 gives you the flexibility to trade on your terms. Customize your charts, apply advanced technical indicators, and switch between multiple timeframes to optimize your trading strategy. One of the key features of Deriv MT5 is its multi-asset capability, meaning you can diversify your portfolio with just a few clicks. And the best part, you can trade anytime, anywhere from your desktop or mobile device. Ready to get started? Setting up your Deriv MT5 account is easy. Simply create an account on Deriv, download the MT5 platform, and you're on your way to exploring the markets. Join thousands of traders who trust Deriv MT5 for their trading journey. Your success starts with the right platform, and Deriv MT5 is here to support you every step of the way. Deriv MT5, diversity, flexibility, and convenience in one platform. If you enjoyed this and want more tips, hit like and subscribe to our channel.